All right, what's up everybody? So today we are going to rebuild one of the motors I got for the S2000. If you saw the last video, you know that I am going to rotary swap the S2000. And I end up getting 2 rotary motors for the S2000. He said he didn't know much about the motors, so he didn't really have much information on them. And if you know anything about rotary motors, you know that the first thing I'm gonna do is open them up and rebuild them. So I have no idea what I'm getting into with these motors. I don't know the condition. I don't know if they were blew a seal. Who knows? I'm going to open the one that I think is in better condition up, salvage what I can, and then go try to build like one complete motor. Maybe the whole thing's trash. I don't know. You don't want to take one of these mystery box motors, do all this work swapping it in, like getting everything made for it, just to find out that the motor was blown. So let's find out the condition of this motor. And then the other motor that I have, I put that motor in the car to kind of get the mounts made and all that type of stuff, so I'm not losing downtime while I'm getting this one ported and everything. So like I can have mounts made on one motor and my actual motor be getting ported and all types of stuff at the same time. So that's why 2 motors is a good idea. Let's just get to it. Let's see how bad these motors are. All right. That motor is in really good shape. I am very surprised. Like, it seems like there's still assembly lube in the motor. So I don't know if it was ever turned on or what. So that motor looks really good. One of the housings looks brand new. It looks like somebody has rebuilt that motor. That one probably did have good compression. I want the bridge ported anyway, so it needed to be opened regardless. The only problem we have, the flywheel nut on the back of the eccentric shaft is like cross-threaded. The threads on the E-shaft are messed up and the threads on the nut. Good thing I have two motors. Take the E-shaft out the other one and put them in this one. Overall, I'm happy with it. But now we can go ahead and jump into all the fun stuff. We can take the other motor, drop it in the S2000 and start getting mounts made. The transmission on and get a drive shaft made, all that good stuff. So, all right, well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. Rotary S2000, it's gonna be dope. Peace.